Idle Empire is basically where you can make money while you're idle, while you're doing nothing else. You have nothing better to do than twiddling your thumbs.
So this is how the website looks like. You can do those surveys, offer walls, offers, videos, watching, referrals, and promotions. Sounds super easy and super idle, but if you are one of those losers who are spoiled by their rich parents and got nothing productive to do, then go for this, because the only people who will make a lot of money from your time and effort are the vendors of this website and this platform itself. But if you're not a loser, then do the simple work and make high-ticket affiliate commissions like our students. Use AI and learn valuable skills fast. Then use your knowledge and skills and make short and simple videos. When you upload them on social media, you will get free customers to your high-ticket offer run by automated funnel. These automated funnel will do the selling for you, and when there is a sale, you will earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I'll shoot you details.